Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. It is Sunday, it's early in the day, and I wanted to show you this video. We will do much more extensive video work this week and extensive analysis, but let's get started with this. This is for trading on Sunday through Monday, June 8th, 2026. You're looking at your NASDAQ daily bar chart. We know that trading is risky. It's extremely risky. And a bar like this is why you should always put your protective stops in first. Never trade without them. NASDAQ daily bar. As I mentioned in every video for the last, week or so, nothing goes straight up, right? We go up, but nothing goes straight up like you see over here. That's what this sign was about. And you've heard me say in almost every video, I was kind of calling for this action to happen right after SpaceX went live. So it's happening a little bit before, but I was sort of looking for this. I've mentioned it in every video to you before this one, right? That maybe a mushroom cloud will take place, the same thing that happened when they did the IPO for Bitcoin, or I should say when Bitcoin finally started trading in Chicago and exchanges legitimately. That was the top of Bitcoin for a while. And I kept mentioning that, we're building up to this big IPO. It's probably going to be the top for a little while. Now, it looks like it's happening already. But before you lose your minds about this, let me show you something. It's very difficult to get more than 3 down days in a row out of a NASDAQ chart. Look, 3. You got 3 here, 1, 2, 3. But where else do you find 3 in a row, right? You got to go back here to find 3 in a row. And behind it to find 3 in a row, but you don't get 3 in a row, right? You get 3 in a row every now and then. We just had 3 down days in a row, so you got to be careful out there, kids. We're still in a bull market. Now, looking at the NASDAQ, what would make this happen? The same thing I've been telling you about in every video. You got to watch out for this culprit. The 30-year T-bonds. The market is so sensitive right now to those 30-year T-bonds. If they move at all, the market just reacts dramatically to stock market. Down days are bad. When the T-bond market goes down, that makes interest rates go up. And right now, especially the NASDAQ stocks, they are so severely tied to interest rates that the slightest wiggle, you've seen what happened. Interest rates went up just a little by bonds going down, and you saw what the NASDAQ did, right? Oh my goodness. That is mainly the bond market doing that right now. Let me show you something else. Here's where I want you to maybe take a little breather. This is the weekly, right? This is same video being filmed for Sunday, Monday. This is video number 3083. This is your E-mini S&P on a weekly chart. On the weekly chart, I'm going to show you right now, we have not done all that much damage. That's it. That's all that's happened. Now, what made this fall down? Well, we know interest rates spiked a little. We've had this big build-up for the IPO, and there is this. Watch this line. Now, technical is all that I really care about because everything else comes out in the charts. I'm going to make this line solid for us, no less. And then I'm going to go back and show it to you. Now, let's go back and see where this line starts. July of 2024. All right, that's how long ago this line starts at. And look what it did on Friday, right to the top of the line. It hit it on Thursday. And I should say it's all 1 week. It's a weekly bar. It hit it during the week and down it went. Now, we were inside of an F flag and not a lot of damage has been done yet. So don't get too crazy. Traders, by the way, got to speak about this now. Omni Bootcamp is literally in about 20 days. If you want to come to Omni Camp, you've got to go to Omni Bootcamp right now and fill out your application because I have no choice but to close off these applications next week and prepare for camp. It is the last camp we're going to do here in Vegas. It gets too hot in Vegas. I don't do them midsummer. If you want to spend 4 days with me learning the Omni system, go to omnibootcamp.com right now and fill out your application so I can call you back and qualify you for a seat. Hurry up. And by the way, it's undivided attention. I've only brought in 2 OMNIPHX for this camp. Anyone else that shows up, I'll decide if I want them to be a third. Make sure you go to omnibootcamp.com now and fill out those applications. So on your weekly bar, not a whole lot of damage has been done yet. I'm not really too worried about this market. Nothing goes straight up. Now, we did do this as well. 172,000 jobs were added, right? We had the jobs report come out. They were only expecting 80,000. We did 172,000. What does that tell me? I've been doing this for 44 years. That tells me the street now believes we will raise rates before we lower rates. Why? Inflation seems to be kind of, it's tame, but it's there. And you're getting a lot of employment. When you get a lot of employment and some inflation, you got to raise rates to slow that down. Now the street thinks, oh my God, they might raise rates, which is why we had a day on Friday that looked very much like this. The street went, oh no, 172,000 jobs. Oh my goodness, what's the Fed going to do? And interest rates did spike, and then we ended up with that. So I wanted to point this stuff out to you. Remember, if we go back here, it's not that dramatic. You know what? Let's go to the other one. 21's got an even better picture. It's not that dramatic. Not yet, anyway, so don't get too nervous. Now, there's a lot of stuff going down, but not the Omni Phoenix, baby. Look at this thing. Traders, this happened the last time we did our Omni coin. It went straight up when the market went down. This has been going up since the inception of the coin. Here's when we created the coin, Omni Phoenix. OMNIPHX around the world are adopting it. They love it. I've got whales coming in, and I've asked you to do this. You see some whales come in this week, please don't sell out in front of them. Invite them into our crowd by buying a few coins with the whales. That will welcome them, and they'll bring in more of their friends. Make sure you do that on the X. I'm doing everything I can. But hey, you might as well get to something that's going up while everything else is going down. The Omni Phoenix. Make sure you get your Omni Phoenix tokens. The link is right below this video. Traders, don't forget this picture, because this is the important picture right now. It's not so bad. It's not so bad. Don't get too nervous out there yet. If things get hairy, we'll speak about it. For now, it's not so bad. I hope this helps you with trading this week. Come to livewithoscar.com. Ask me any questions that you can possibly ask. I sit in a live chat room on camera and microphone. I am doing a live AMA, Ask Me Anything, every day of my life. You want an Ask Me Anything? You want an AMA? Come to my live training room. Ask me anything you want. No credit cards are required. That's at livewithoscar.com. And then don't forget, Omni Bootcamp. Go fill out your applications now so you can work with me in this office for 4 straight days and nights. Join me, join the OMNIPHX crowd. Go to omnibootcamp.com and fill out your applications. All right, traders, that's what I wanted to show you. I hope this helps you prepare for the markets. Remember, stop emotions are rock and roll. Traders, thank you for everything you do. Please leave your comments below. I answer all of them myself, and I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.